Right now we're gonna fill in what area doesn't need a culvert. This one does not call for a culvert. All right, another nice day today. Not looking forward when the ground gets wet. It's all, you know, the winter wet ground, and then it's hard to do much, especially with bald tracks like what I got. So that's why we're pounding it now, whatever we can get done. This particular driveway does not call for a culvert, so you basically just make it level. It has to be lower than the road. It's got to pitch off at least 4 inches lower than the road. So I'm going to just fill in this little ditch with dirt, and then I'll put stone over the top, because it's on the top of a crown. That's why it doesn't need a culvert in here. So I'm just scabbing some dirt wherever I can get it back here. This clearing I made. So far I got kind of one 2-lane driveway over here behind me, and then I got another, basically about a 12-footer up to a possible 7-acre parcel. Yeah, it ain't the cleanest dirt, but it's technically clean of all roots and stuff. A little bit ain't gonna hurt nothing. Boy, it brings me back to Project 291 days. Too bad I didn't have this thing back then. Probably take a couple more of these dirt, then I'll compact it down and check back in, and then it'll be almost ready for stone. All right, put a rough grade on this thing.